So here we have the Simboom men's wallet with AirTag holder. This slim AirTag wallet bifold RFID blocking, and it has the capability of holding 10 cards. So with the AirTag wallet, it's easily trackable and you'll never have to worry about it being misplaced or lost. It's great for daily working trips, college life, and if you have older parents or seniors and you kind of worry about their whereabouts, you could kind of easily track them if you have to. It's a great safety feature. So this is a slim-ish wallet. It's not the slimmest wallet, but it's slim enough to fall in that category. And it's also capable of having 10 card slots, one clear ID window, which you could slip out with your thumb, the ID, if you need to access it. It has one money clip and holds a certain amount of cash. Total capacity is 9 to 16 cards. You could put 1 or 2 per slot. The measurements come in at 5" by 3.8" and a thickness of 0.98. So you're able to keep everything that's more than necessary, and while maintaining a slim wallet. Perfectly fits into your front pocket, which is convenient to carry around and also protect from pickpocketing and the discomfort of having something in a rear pocket. Of course, it has RFID security technology to block 13.56 megahertz or higher signals, so you can avoid and block unauthorized scans. So this enhances your personal security. So this is a minimalist design, functional, good looking wallet. This carbon fiber look is really nice, feels great in the hands, great gift idea. It's a great buy for yourself, so enjoy it. Thank you.